Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of skincare to explore the benefits, ingredients, uses, and potential side effects of Naturium Sulfur Spot Treatment, your go-to solution for redness and blemishes. Stay tuned to discover everything you need to know about this powerful skincare cream in just 3 minutes. Benefits: Naturium Sulfur Spot Treatment is renowned for its ability to effectively target redness and blemishes. Formulated with potent ingredients, it works to calm inflammation, reduce redness, and promote clearer, healthier-looking skin. Whether you're dealing with occasional breakouts or persistent redness, this treatment delivers visible results, leaving your complexion smoother and more balanced. Ingredients: Key ingredients in Naturium Sulfur Spot Treatment include sulfur, which has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, helping to combat acne-causing bacteria and reduce redness. Additionally, it contains soothing ingredients like aloe vera and chamomile extract, which help to calm irritation and promote healing without over-drying the skin. To use Naturium Sulfur Spot Treatment, simply apply a thin layer to affected areas after cleansing and toning your skin. Allow it to absorb fully before applying any other skincare products or makeup. For best results, use it as a spot treatment on active breakouts or areas of redness, both morning and night. Side effects: While Naturium Sulfur Spot Treatment is generally well tolerated, some individuals may experience mild side effects such as dryness, tingling, or temporary redness upon initial use. If irritation persists or worsens, discontinue use and consult a dermatologist. It's also important to avoid contact with eyes and mucous membranes. And there you have it, everything you need to know about Naturium Sulfur Spot Treatment. With its powerful formula and effective results, it's no wonder this cream is a favorite among skincare enthusiasts. Don't let redness and blemishes hold you back. Try Naturium Sulfur Spot Treatment today and take the first step towards clearer, healthier-looking skin. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more skincare tips and product reviews.